Hello students, today we are going to start a poem in honeycomb. The title of the poem is The Squirrel and it is composed by the poet Mildred Bowes Armstrong. Before starting up with the poem, let's discuss about the tiny creature of God. The word squirrel refers to an animal that lives in trees and has a long fluffy tail. Squirrels are usually grey or reddish brown with small pointed ears and sharp claws that enable them to climb trees quickly. There are many different kinds of squirrel, and these animals are found in many parts of the world. Squirrels mostly eat nuts and seeds, though squirrels that live in urban areas or near humans will often eat from rubbish bins or pick up food left on the ground. In the poem The Squirrel, the poet Mildred Bowes Armstrong describes a squirrel that he observed in his garden. The poet describes how the squirrel, covered in grey fur, sits in an upright position on a tree branch eating a nut. Means the squirrel always hold a position while eating. He is used here for the squirrel. He used to keep his back straight while eating. His tail looks like a question mark because of its bent shape. The happy and lively squirrel loves to play with the poet and her friends. Whenever they ran around his tree, he would run to the other side of the tree. The poet tells us about the nature of the squirrel, that it is innocently naughty and likes to tease anyone who comes near him. The Squirrel is the short poem by the poet Mildred Bowes Armstrong. We enjoyed the activity of a squirrel in the poem. So now we will move forward with the question answers. So our first question is, why does the poet say the squirrel wore a question mark for tail? Draw a squirrel or find a picture of a squirrel sitting on the ground. How would you describe its tail? Before doing the answer, you have to paste one picture of a squirrel, or if you can draw by yourself. Now the answer is, the poet said the squirrel wore a question mark for tail because the shape of the tail of a squirrel sitting on the ground looks very similar to question mark. We would describe it as fur of claws clutched together or bushy shaped. Our question number 2 is, do we usually say that an animal wears a tail? What do we say? Our answer is, we usually say that an animal has a set of given characteristics rather than saying wear. The poet, however, uses the word wear to indicate the external characteristics of the squirrel. The dictionary meaning of wear suggests something of an outer covering, for instance, clothes. Now look at your last question. He liked to tease and play. Who is teasing whom and how? Now look at the solution of it. The poet liked to tease and play with the squirrel. Whenever the poet went a little close to the squirrel would run away in the other direction. So here we are ending our poem. It is a very interesting poem. We read about the activities of a small squirrel and it's look very pretty while eating or while playing in the garden. So meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.